YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on your notification bell and join the anonymous Sneakerhead channel. Join the family. At the time of me recording this video, we are currently at 837 subscribers. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year, man. So make sure that you go ahead and join the channel. Also, make sure that you take the time. It's literally 0.2 seconds to go ahead and smash that like button, man. It really helps with the YouTube algorithms. Helps get the video shown to more people, which could potentially get more people to hit that red button and join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. So make sure that you take the half a second if you want to support the channel and go ahead and do that. Then last but not least, go ahead and follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there. First, polls, stories, questions on the stories, a bunch of good information gets thrown up there first. Also, for those of you that have been around that pay extreme attention to detail, you may notice that I changed my little setup a little bit. I mean, my setup here is exactly the same. I'm in the same part of the room, but I went ahead. I had to buy more Container Store drop front boxes, so I rearranged some stuff. So some things in the background are in different places than you are used to seeing. But that's not important. Let's get into this video. Let's talk about what is important, man. So, to start it off, next Monday, this coming Monday, I believe it is November 9th, we are getting the long awaited release of the Nike Air Max 90, or I believe this is officially an Air Max 3. They're calling it the remaster of the Infrared colorway, or the Radiant Red colorway, man. Y'all can see it right there on the screen. Yo, I am super excited about this release, man. This year is the year of the Air Max 90. Obviously, Air Max 90, 1990. This is 2020. It is the 30th anniversary. We have been getting a bunch of Air Max 90 drops. This year alone, I picked up, the most recent one I picked up was the Safaris, and I picked up the Volts, the orange ones, the Galaxies. I think that's it. I bought the pink ones for my girl. I may end up getting a pink pair for myself, man. But we have the original Air Max 3, the Infrared colorway, the first ever colorway. We did get recently some of the OG leather colorways. The eggplant one, the laser blue was the big one. But me personally, I'm not a huge fan of the leather. I like as little leather as possible on my Air Max 90s, which is why I am super excited for this remaster of the Infrared coming up on Monday. Now, I've heard a lot of people say that they might sit. That's definitely a possibility. I could maybe see them sitting and or selling out and Nike making more pairs. But me personally, man, I'm worried. I think it's gonna be a hard shoe to get. Reason being is, let me pull this shoe out right here. If you guys remember earlier this year when this one came out, the orange Air Max 90. So this one didn't come out on sneakers. It just came out on Nike.com, and it sold out and was gone for a while. And for a while, no one knew they would be restocking it or would be coming back or whatever it was. For a while, this shoe was up on Godot for around $200. Some spots over $200, just the orange one. So I could imagine the Infrared, like, this isn't an OG colorway. Yeah, it's an OG rebuild, but I could only imagine how quick these Infrareds are going to go. And why am I worried about them? Because I do obviously have pretty good methods of picking up shoes, as you can see behind me. The reason why I'm worried about them is they come out on Monday. Now, Sneakers App, they come out at 10 a.m. But I have a situation going on at work, right? At work, Mondays, usually I go in, and then I can get home usually before 10 a.m. and then do the rest of my work from home. But just to not even get into too much detail, I have to be at work a little longer than usual, and it takes me about an hour and a half to get home from work, so I won't be home. If I go straight from work to home, I won't be home until probably 12 o'clock at the earliest, right? But there is a mall kind of close to where I work at that I'm not too familiar with, but I know that there's a Finish Line in there, and this mall does not open until 11 a.m. And since there is no raffles, I am going to shoot my shot there. Keep my fingers crossed, man. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, it'll be a new spot new pickup option, man, but hopefully they got pairs. They actually told me to call them today because they weren't even sure if they were going to have them in their store, which is a little bit troublesome, especially since the release is so close. But man, super excited about these. I may, you know what I'm saying, if they do sell out for whatever reason and I can't get my hands on them, I may have to go the resale route. That's how bad I want these. If the resale isn't too crazy, I may double up. You never know. But also, another shoe that was announced, I think yesterday or 2 days ago, it's finally going to get its US release. I'm super excited about it, and it's funny that I have this shoe out because it's kind of the reason why I have this shoe, and that is the Air Max 1 in the Magma Orange colorway. So, the Air Max 1 came out in the Magma Orange colorway, and it came out in that green colorway. I didn't get the green one. I still want the green one. But the orange one is coming out on the 19th in the United States. So we do have a chance to get it for retail. Now, like I said, since I missed out getting it on retail before, that is part of the reason why I went after these. Like, I saw those announced, and I was like, I'll wait on these until I can see if I get the Magma Oranges. And then I wasn't able to get them when they came out overseas. So I was like, cool, I'll just wait it out. And yeah, so that's how I ended up getting these. I missed out on the green ones. Now, since I have these, what I may end up doing is going after the Magma Orange Air Max 1s. Hopefully I get them, and then maybe trying to find someone to trade them for the green ones, because I do really like that green pair as well. Or I may just keep the Magma Orange pair, or I'll get both. Why not, right? You never know. But you guys know I'm a big Air Max guy. I do happen to have a lot of relatively new Air Max 90s, because obviously this is the year of the 90s. That's what's been releasing this year. But the Air Max 1 is still my favorite Air Max silhouette, and hopefully I could get my hands on that Magma Orange pair, man. And then the last shoe that I'm looking forward to, I mean, everyone's looking forward to it. I talked about it already. I'm just going to mention it, not go into too much detail. And that is the Jordan 4 Fire Red coming out on Black Friday. Now, interestingly enough, resale values on this shoe, even after the early shock drop that everyone knew was happening, so not too shocking. But even after that, surprisingly, the resale value is pretty low on those and has remained pretty low. So we'll see what's going on there. That's actually pretty interesting. But that's the other shoe that I'm looking forward to. There are the Turduncan Dunks that are coming out, but those are going to be impossible to get. And I'm not sure if I'm feeling them too much. There's a couple of things about it that I don't like. Maybe if I see some other pictures, I may end up liking it. But that is it for this video, man. I wanted to talk about some upcoming shoes, mainly the Infrared 90s, man. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm going for on Monday. Hopefully Monday night I have a video for you guys with the Air Max 90 Infrareds in hand. But that is it for this video, y'all. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the channel. Also, make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button, man. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring new people to the video, which could potentially bring more people to join the family, which could get us to our end of the year goal, I should say, of reaching 1,000 subscribers. Then last but not least, go ahead, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.